In this video, we're just going to make a basic PSpice file and import some basic components. So click the Start menu and go to the Cadence release with the version number. In that, we're going to find Capture CIS. That's the PSpice program we're going to use. Make sure you have PCB Design CIS selected. Click OK. Then once it loads up, go to File and New Project. Now make sure you name it. Don't use any spaces or slashes, just letters, numbers, and select the location for your folder. I usually make it on the desktop so you can find it later. Create a new folder and name it. I'm just going to name it Project 1 and select the folder so it's on the bottom, and select, and then make sure you do the analog or mixed for the new project. Click OK, and then make sure you just have just analog ground symbol selected here. So it gives you, when you create the folder, you'll just have a ground. When it opens here, you're going to have your hierarchy. So you have your folder, open your project, and then you'll have a folder for your schematic. We're going to open up this page 1 schematic. This is what we chose to select. We're just going to delete it and enter our own things. So to create a ground symbol, you click that little ground symbol. CapSim works. That's how we add a ground. And then to select a component, place part there, you can push P or put that. And then on the bottom, you type the name. So for a resistor, you can type R, but it doesn't show up because on the bottom I only have the one library selected. So if you just click and push Control A, you'll select all the libraries to choose from. And then you can push R and the resistor will show up, or C, capacitor. So if you double click on the R for analog, you'll get a resistor. And if you push R while you're holding it, it'll rotate the component. So then we're going to add a DC voltage source, so VDC. Double click and place your part. Push Escape to get rid of your components. And then you can push wire or push this click this icon here. That'll be your wire. So you can just push W and that'll give you the wire tool, and then push Escape to get rid of anything that you have. So push W, connect your components. And then if you click on the names there, you can change the properties. So if you double click on the component itself, it'll give a full range of properties to adjust, but we're just going to click on the numbers there. And you can change it. We'll put 10 volts and adjust the capacitor to 1. 1 is fine. Another thing that we can do, if you just right click anywhere, you'll pull up a menu. You can zoom in or zoom out, or you can see the letters are I or O. So you can just push those on the keyboard, I for zoom in or O to zoom out. So it'll just zoom in right on your mouse. So you zoom out, zoom in, it'll go right to wherever your mouse is. It's an easy way to zoom in and out to adjust your view. So then to sort of turn our circuit on, you have to simulate it. So go to PSpice and New Simulation Profile. You can enter a name. So for this one, we're just going to do bias point. And this will bring up general analysis, simulation profile. We named it bias point there. You can just leave it on time domain. And click Apply. And then if you push the green button here, that's going to simulate your circuit. So now it's on and running. If you click these icons up here, the V, the I is your voltage and current, so that'll put the labels on your circuit so you can see what the values are for those.